Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn other ways to say I think. Because I don't like to use I think all the time. To be honest, using only one word again and again, it makes me feel bored. Although I think is enough, but I try to use other ones in order to vary my speech and my fluency. So if you're interested, please continue watching this video up to the very end. The first one is I consider. Here's an example for you. I consider John is the clever cookie in our class. Cookie means a very clever person. If you call someone a cookie, that you say someone that they are very clever, alright? And the next one is I reckon. I reckon is my favorite one and I use it almost every day. Let me give you an example. I reckon you are coming with us. Yeah. And the third one is I suppose. It is still very formal, but I hardly ever use this word. I don't know why, but here's an example for you. Hey, why didn't you come to the party? I suppose I sent you a message. Why didn't you come? Alright, here's another way that I use instead of I think is I guess. For example, I guess it's gonna rain today because the clouds are not good enough. So I guess it's gonna rain. The next one will be I believe. Or in other words, it's to say I think. So we use I believe. For example, I believe you're gonna pass the TOEFL if you work hard and do your best. Yeah, hopefully, why not? And the cool ones are I calculate. Well, here's an example from me. I calculate physics is one of the dull subjects. Well, which subjects are dull for you? Let me know in the comments. And there's also this one, I conceive. You know, it sounds like I can see, however, we write it like this one. But I don't suggest you use this word all the time because conceive has two meanings and I don't want to tell you right now. If you are too eager to know, look it up on the net. It's getting a bit colder in here, but let's continue. And the next one is I deem. Here's an example from me. I deem Ronaldo has more subscribers than Messi does. Yeah, I deem like that. And the next one is I win. I win, you're gonna win the contest. Yeah, I win, you're gonna win the contest. I peruse. For example, I peruse, she has a very good talent on what she's doing. And the last but not least is I pensive. If you have noticed it that I mentioned this word in my previous video, but here's an example from me. I pensive you had a very good time by watching this video, guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching and please subscribe or feel free to comment or whatever you want. I hope you had a very beautiful day and see you soon.